iTunes error 9 mainly happens during iOS device updating or restoring. When that occurs, all the progress will be lost, and the iOS device will effectively be stuck at whichever of the two options it was doing. Both software and hardware are the possible culprits for the error's occurrence. To fix this error, we collected 8 effective solutions in this video. Method 1. Fix iTunes error 9 using iOS system recovery. Step 1. Download, install, and launch PhoneDog Toolkit. Then, click iOS system recovery. Step 2. Plug in your iOS device to the computer via a USB cable. Step 3. Click Start. Your iOS device will once again be automatically detected. Step 4. Download the latest iOS version that is provided by PhoneDog. Recovery will begin immediately. As you may have noticed, all errors are gone as it undergoes restoration. Method 2. Hard resetting your iOS device. Sometimes, a simple reset is all that is needed for the software to refresh and adjust itself. Method 3. Updating your iTunes. Here we need to have your iTunes updated to the newest version. Method 4. Using a different computer. Try a different computer, where you can plug in your iOS device. Make sure it has iTunes, and is updated to the newest version. Method 5. Checking your USB cable and ports. Try a new USB cable or one that you know currently works. Also, be sure that the connection is not loose and seated in the device and the computer, laptop securely. Method 6. Getting into recovery mode. Using this option may cause data loss, so it is not entirely advised, but it may just be the fix you need. It is imperative that you back up your data just in case. Method 7. Checking your security software and firewall. Security software on your computer is perhaps blocking communication with Apple's servers. Method 8. More complex solutions. When none of the above solutions work, you can try a mix of checks for both hardware and software. But it is complex and not advised. Many other iOS 16 device users have experienced the same exact situation. Now that you know what iTunes error 9 is and what the solutions are, try the 8 solutions above to fix your iPhone device easily. If you like this video, please subscribe to the PhoneDog channel to get more tuto.